Michigan's item pricing law actually helped save you money. It's our top story this afternoon. The law has been in place for more than a year, and the governor at the time promised that it would save us money. But as Shannon Cantner reports, a new study shows the opposite.
The bottom line is that people are suffering more because of this.
Michigan Citizen Action used secret shoppers to collect data on grocery stores throughout Michigan since the item pricing mandate was repealed last year. They found prices went up instead of down, and workers' hours are being cut.
We kind of have a whole wall of stuff that used to be priced, all the Lunchables and sandwich meats. We don't have to price any of that now, so instead of working 8-hour shifts, we now work 4 or 5-hour shifts. And, you know, we're still expected to get the same amount of work done.
Plus, without those individual price tags, they say customers are more confused than ever. They ask clerks questions, but they might not have the answer.
Almost caused havoc in the line because the people behind them did not want to be held up. All of it caused frustration at some point.
But the Michigan Retailers Association and store owners tell me the item pricing law is working. If anything, less stickers mean more customer service.
Enable us to be more effective. We can focus our energies on things that make a difference, merchandising, making sure that the signage is good so people do know what the price that they're paying for the item that they're picking up, because that is the most important thing.
And the Michigan Retailers Association said they haven't had any complaints. They called the Michigan Citizen Action Study amateur.
The conclusions are certainly suspect, and when we look at the government data on what has happened, prices have been lower in Michigan than they have across the United States. We see a clearer picture that item pricing reforms are really working.
In Lansing, Shannon Cantner, Fox 47 News.
The Michigan Citizen Action also claimed the Attorney General's office only spent a little over $6,000 of $100,000 appropriated for consumer education on this reform. The Attorney General's office says they've spent nearly $50,000 on several education efforts.